Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add friends on Duolingo. So, in order to do this, simply navigate to the Duolingo application. After opening the application, you will see this interface. Here, you're going to simply click on your profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Now, you will see the Add Friends button just right here. Click on the Add Friends button and it will take you to this page. Now, you have several options to add your friends. The first option is choosing from contacts. When you click on choose from contacts, Duolingo will search for all the contacts on your mobile phone that will be signed up for Duolingo. Then you can add those friends from there. Now, second way to do this is search by name. Click on search by name and type in the name for your friends that you want to add. Then click on search and this will search for the username of that specific friend that you want to add. After this, you can click on the small add icon at the top right, just at the right of that person's name, and you would have successfully sent a friend request to that person on Duolingo. Now, you can also click on share your profile, then share your profile's link with your friends on WhatsApp, Instagram, or other social media platforms through which they can easily add you as a friend. You also get friend suggestions at the bottom. You can click on view all and see all the friend suggestions for Duolingo. You can simply click on the plus icon after their name and you would have successfully added them as a friend on Duolingo. So that is how you add friends on Duolingo. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.